Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the asset into your timeline, import the Mixkit transition clip, and confirm file format compatibility. Once done, make sure your sequence settings, frame rate, and resolution match the transition to avoid motion jitter. You should also trim the end of the outgoing clip and the start of the incoming clip so the transition has a 5:1, 0-second overlap. This prevents hard cuts and keeps motion smooth. Doing these steps first saves time and later fine-tuning. You now place the transition layer above your two clips and align it precisely over the overlap. This ensures both clips are visible through the transition. Then, make sure to choose an appropriate blend mode or adjust opacity so the transition composites naturally with your footage. Once aligned, use keyframes to fine-tune timing, scale, or position, because minor shifts can fix visual seams and motion mismatch. Keep previewing at full resolution to check for any flicker or color shifts as you refine. Finish by rendering a short segment to confirm smooth playback and consistent color between clips. This makes problems obvious before final export. If timing feels off, adjust speed or add motion blur and match color grading so the transition reads as part of the same scene. Make sure to render at your target codec and settings. If you see artifacting, re-import the transition source, switch to a lossless codec, or re-export with matching sequence settings. This usually resolves glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.